By the way, I got a new camera. What is up, Sophia? It's your girl Sophia, and today I'm back with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications. And when you're done with all of that, comment done in the comments below, and you will get a chance to be in my next video because I do post notification shoutouts every single video. So today I'm going to be spinning a wheel on my phone to see what video I'm going to be doing. So, I spun the wheel. So I'm spinning the wheel right now. Oh, boom, boom. How do you spin this thing? Spin it for me. So today I'm going to be doing, oh no, I'm spinning this again. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a mukbang. You can't really see it that well. Going to be doing a mukbang. Oh, yeah, a mukbang. Yeah, so it's going to be a mukbang. So, we're going to go downstairs and see what food we're going to do for this mukbang. Yeah. By the way, I got a new camera. I'm going to be doing an ice cream mukbang. Mukbang. I mean, who doesn't love ice cream? Comment down below if you like or dislike ice cream. And like the video if you like ice cream. Don't dislike the video. So, it's 3:22. Where the heck are the cones at? Oh. So these are the ice cream cones that will be extra loud when we're chewing. Ew, that sounds weird. Do not mind the dirty toaster. Or do not mind the dirty freezer. Don't do that to me. Oh my gosh. So I have to get a spoon. Don't tell me I gotta do the dishes. Okay. Oh, there better be some spoons in here. That's a plastic spoon. That better be a spoon. Don't mind the phone, y'all. Sorry. No. No. Stay up, you stupid phone. Oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all.
I see.
Oh my gosh. That's my channel. Get my fans up, get my likes up. I'm only at 149. I don't know. Sad. Most of my videos aren't that entertaining, but still. Go watch me, y'all. I'm very lonely.
I was busy thinking about food, sleep.
Chipotle.
I was busy thinking about food, sleep, Chipotle.
Y'all can barely see the video.
I would roast you, but my mom said I'm not allowed to burn trash. I would.
Mama, what? Open the door. Mama, Ty keep on hitting me. Ty,
Guys, this is just a behind the scenes of some of my TikToks.
Come here. What?
So go check out my TikTok account at Sophia for Real, ! Or you can put in Sophia for Real 2314. So guys, sorry about the background noise. My baby brother's watching his show. Ice cream for the mukbang. So this mukbang is gonna be about how my day at school was. I mean, it wasn't that great, but okay. Dang. So today at school, we had to do a presentation on the plant life cycle because that's what we're learning in science. We made these pop art names and art. And I didn't do no research today because I didn't do my homework. Only reason I didn't do my homework is because I didn't know we had it. Okay, not that bad. I had to write a poem for Miss Holly for the winter time poems. And if y'all go to Santa Fe Elementary, y'all will see my poem up at the front office. I'm gonna tell y'all my poem. So it's like, winter is cold, summer is hot, we all love snow, but who does not? That's the first words. And then the second words are, summer is fun, we jump in the pool, but in the winter it gets very cool. What I mean by cool, I mean cold, but cold doesn't rhyme with pool. And then I'm like, so we all have to go to school. Hey, look at that shake though. That shake. That was a bad shake. Yeah, that's basically not. That's not all what we do. We got this hard homework. It's not that hard, but it's kind of hard. I mean, I'm only in 3rd grade. Comment down below what grade y'all in. So, yeah. Me and my best friend Mario and Lua, we all read one poem because Miss Room said 3 poems. And someone else wrote a poem. I read Lila's and hers didn't kind of make sense to me. It was like it's a wintry day. And then the end of it say ya. Girl. No. System.
Where's Bella?
In the car, Mom.
Asleep.
Yep. Jake is still so stupid. Nothing.
We might not have school tomorrow, guys. Because the rain and it's cold as hell, so.
might be able to spend the night if they say no school. Huh? Huh? Living room? What?
I don't know.
Till 7 or something.
When'd you get here?
After school.
After school.
You gonna fight me?
Huh?
You gonna fight me?
No. You. So guys, sorry about that. Technical difficulties. Bye guys, hope you like this video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications. And now I'm going to be doing my post notification shout outs. What? So today's post notification shout out goes to my L Cortez. If I didn't pronounce that right, please comment down below. It will be on the screen. Her name. So yeah, bye guys.